Good morning students. In this lecture we will be learning about plagiarism. So let's begin. Plagiarism is appropriating and stealing information that belongs to another person. So plagiarism is appropriating, meaning taking something for one's own use, typically without the owner's permission. Here that something is someone's written work or idea. So plagiarism is also a form of stealing, which means taking someone else's work without permission. It can be in the form of written text published by others, using it in one's own text without citing the original author. So if we take the idea of another author and use it as our own without citing the original author, it is plagiarism. The following instances will be considered as plagiarism. Not using quotation marks while quoting authors. For instance, if I use the quote, "The poetry of the earth is never dead" by John Keats, and if I do not use quotation marks and not cite John Keats' name, it is plagiarism. Next point is giving incorrect citation details. Citation is the way you tell your readers that certain material in your work came from another source. So we must give correct citation to avoid plagiarism. Next point is copying ideas and words without acknowledging the author. So when we copy the ideas and words of an author without citing his or her name, it is also plagiarism. So this is all about plagiarism. Next topic is improving effectiveness in academic writing. Use of proper punctuation, correct spelling and an up-to-date vocabulary. So punctuation, that is a mark such as full stop, comma, brackets. These used in writing to separate sentences and their elements and to clarify meaning. So for an effective academic writing, proper punctuation, correct spelling and an up-to-date, that is the newest vocabulary, must be used. Next point is avoid slang, abbreviations and reduce use of jargon. Slang is used in an informal talk where people who know each other very well uses words, expressions that are informal. So abbreviations means a shortened form of a word or phrase. For instance, www, it is the abbreviation of World Wide Web. The jargon is special words or expressions used by a profession or a group that are difficult for others to understand. For example, the jargons used by doctors or engineers are difficult to be understood by people who are not doctors or engineers. So in an academic writing, one must avoid slang, abbreviations and jargons. Third point is have a structured process, plan, draft, edit and format. Identify a topic, research and collect information, outline and plan. Start with the draft, review, edit and format. So for an academic writing to be effective, there must be a plan. Draft means it's a preliminary version of a piece of writing. And edit, that is prepare for publication by correcting or modifying it. And format, meaning the way in which something is arranged. Here it is writing. First identify a topic, then do research and collect information, outline and plan. So begin with a draft, that is preliminary version of a piece of writing. Then review means to look back over something for evaluation or memory. Then edit and then format. Next point, that is fourth point, is be aware of the target reader. A writer, especially in an academic writing, must keep the target reader, that is the intended readers, in mind while writing. Next point, that is the last point, is fifth point. Familiarize yourself with writing and editing software that can help in the process. For writing, there are several tools available online. Google Docs is one popular word processor. There are also proofreading services offered by websites like Grammarly and Hemingway Editor. So in an academic writing, the writer must know about the softwares that can help the writer in writing and editing. Also, there are tools that are available online. For example, Google Docs, it is a word processor. Then the website Grammarly and Hemingway Editor, it offers proofreading services. This is all for today. Thank you.